everyone's favorite summer pastime is gathering with friends and family and roughing it out amongst nature as you camp. Well, with these 7 awesome camping trailers we'll be going over in today's video, your camping game will be taken to the next level. Intech Flyer Discover. Camping is a blast, but sometimes finding a way to haul your ATVs to your campsite can be exhausting. Well, not with the Intech Flyer Discover. This trailer is a micro-light toy hauler that can weave in and out of small spaces that bigger vehicles, like RVs, simply can't. That doesn't mean it's not sturdy. Quite the contrary, in fact. The Intech Flyer Discover is built with an all-aluminium, fully welded cage, so you can rest assured knowing that it'll survive the rough elements. Not to mention the spacious interior of the Intech Flyer Discover makes this a perfect trailer. Even if you don't have toys like ATVs to transport, you can use the inside to sleep in. The Intech Flyer Discover can be used to fit up to 6 campers overnight. In fact, this trailer comes fully customizable, so if you do end up using it to sleep, you can have several beds installed on the inside to make your night all that much more comfortable. But not just the interior is impressive, the exterior comes in several different colors depending on your personal preference. They include white, black, grey and even bright red. No matter what your camping plans are, the Intech Flyer Discover is a perfect choice for anyone traveling with a group. Alicanto Grande Lisbon. This luxury trailer is definitely one you want to keep your eye out for when planning your next camping trip. The Alicanto Grande Lisbon is 8 feet wide and has a vertical infinity window, so you and your family can enjoy the wonderful outdoors even when inside the trailer. One of the best features of the Alicanto Grande Lisbon is that it's built to withstand all types of weather conditions. So whether you're traveling in the middle of summer or the dead of winter, your trailer will be able to handle it all. Don't worry if it'll be too cold if you are traveling in the winter, because the Alicanto Grande Lisbon has a built-in heating system to keep you warm all night long. The interior of this luxury trailer has many features beside the heating, so many that you may never want to leave. The Alicanto Grande Lisbon has Wi-Fi capabilities, so you can stay connected during the entirety of your camping trip. And if you want to have a little mid-camping trip party, then this is the perfect trailer to do it in, because you can change the ambiance with a click of a button due to the Alicanto Grande Lisbon's RGB color-changing lighting system. This trailer can be your home away from home as you travel through different terrains. And if you're interested in purchasing your very own Alicanto Grande Lisbon, you can buy one for £35,000 today. Adria Action. If you're looking for something that's a little more modern and stylish than other traditional camping trailers, then we have the perfect item on today's list for you. The Adria Action not only has a contemporary look to it, but it's also spacious and functional. It has a kitchen, a bathroom and sleeping quarters, everything you need on your camping trip. And while it may be spacious, it's still compact and easy to travel with. So what are some of the specific features that help Adria Action stand out amongst its competitors? Well, for starters, it has built-in Bluetooth speakers, so you can listen to your favorite music as you unwind from a long day of outdoor activities. There are also multiple USB ports around the trailer, so you're never short for charging stations inside the Adria Action. If the outdoors are particularly cold, you can bundle up inside the Adria Action and enjoy the indoor heating. There is also optional electrical floor heating if you're extra cold. Not only is the furniture modern and fashionable, you're also able to customize the textiles to your liking. You can pick from either Brunello Black or Brunello Blue. The Adria Action also has 16-inch tires that are durable and perfectly built for off-road performance. The Adria Action is a perfect example of a camping trailer that mixes style and functionality to create a trailer that is top of the line. Moby Lodge. Performance is super important when it comes to a camping trailer, so much so that the wrong trailer can turn your camping vacation into a total disaster. That's why the Moby Lodge was a must-have on our list today. The Moby Lodge is made of fiberglass and is steel braced. It also has a mono-hull construction. The ladder frame chassis is made of galvanized steel. For the interior, the Moby Lodge has a permanent island bed and also comes with a deluxe double mattress. The Moby Lodge also comes complete with a bathroom with several high-end features. There's a fixed shower with a high-end pressure pump, which will always have hot water due to the direct flow gas geyser. And when you're ready to sit down for dinner, the Moby Lodge is there for you. The kitchen comes equipped with a 2-burner stove that has several appliances already provided for you, like pots, pans, kettles, and everything else that you need to cook your meals. Once you're done in the kitchen, you take your seat in the dining area and enjoy your meal. The dining area comes included with a dining table and 2 built-in stools. If you want to unwind after your meal with a drink, luckily for you, the Moby Lodge comes with a minibar and a holder for up to 3 full wine bottles. In short, this one trailer you won't want to miss out on. Jayco Seismic Luxury. This camping trailer is sure to draw some attention due to its massive size and impressive performance. The Jayco Seismic Luxury trailer is one of the most versatile trailers on the market. In fact, it's almost like a garage on wheels. This giant trailer can carry anything from canoes to 4-wheelers. You name it, the Jayco Seismic Luxury trailer can do it all. Not only can it haul massive amounts of items, the luxury interior is unmatched when compared to Jayco's competitors. Take a load off on the Super Sofa that has built-in heating and even a massage function, which is perfect after a long day hiking on your camping trip. The Jayco Seismic Luxury even has a fireplace, which is practically unheard of in any other camping trailer. This is one of the many features that just go to show how next level this camping trailer truly is. The exterior is also incredibly impressive and has several features that will make anyone envious once they see you in the Jayco Seismic Luxury. It even has the strongest tested roof in the industry, the Magnum Truss roof system. There's also a 20-year warranty included in case anything were to happen to it. Not to mention, it's built for any weather, so you can go anywhere you want with the Jayco Seismic Luxury. The world is your oyster. Concorde Centurion 1200. This incredible trailer can easily be mistaken for a vehicle of the future, and after you see all the features, you can see why. The Concorde Centurion 1200 is less of a trailer and more of a home on wheels. In fact, you can even park a car inside of the Concorde Centurion 1200. It even weighs over 26 metric tons. The interior is made of incredibly fine leather and a high-tech multimedia system, so you can enjoy all your devices at once inside the Concorde Centurion. There's also a kitchen that was designed with high-end taste in mind. It's also very spacious, larger than kitchens you may even find in some homes. The bathroom may be the most unique room in the entirety of the Concorde Centurion 1200. The shower is rainforest style and is set off by a wall of mirrors. There's also LED lights so you can create the perfect ambiance for your bath. The master bedroom comes complete with a queen-size bed. The atmosphere is magical that some owners of the Concorde Centurion 1200 have described the sleeping area like sleeping in a fairy tale. The Concorde Centurion 1200 is an absolute beast of a camping trailer, and as you may have guessed already, is highly sought after camping enthusiasts from all walks of life. Living Vehicle 2022. The last trailer on today's list is built just for those of you who dream of living off the grid. The Living Vehicle 2022 has full capabilities to function on its own in the middle of nature, without even being near civilization. How, you may ask? Well, the Living Vehicle 2022 is built to absorb solar power so that it never needs to be plugged in. Because you'll be living off the grid in the Living Vehicle 2022, they designed the interior to make you feel just at home. For example, the bathroom is spa style. You'll be able to relax in luxury. This trailer also comes with a fold-out patio, so you can sit out and relax and take in the sights from the comfort of the Living Vehicle 2022. It's perfect for opening up more space so you can host social gatherings whenever you want. There is also a removable kitchen island, depending on how much space you need as you prepare your food. Speaking of the kitchen, the Living Vehicle 2022 comes with a 13-foot solar-powered refrigerator, so you can keep food fresh while also reducing your carbon footprint. This is the perfect trailer for those who want to take a step away from city life and live out in nature. Which one of these camping trailers were your favorite? Let us know in the comment section down below. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, be sure to leave a comment, a like, and always subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more awesome content like this.